November 29425 is a 1968 Cessna 177 Cardinal. The Cessna 177 Cardinal has a strong ramp presence that is sleek and beautiful at the same time. Conspicuous is the cantilever wing, with no struts to block the view of the pilots and passengers. It stands out just like the red bird that it is named after. The Cardinal is a high-wing, all-metal, four-place aircraft with fixed gear that is powered by an 0360 180-horse Lycoming engine. The roomy cabin is accessed from the left or right sides of the fuselage through large doors that open extremely wide for easy access. Gear can be loaded in the aft baggage bin located on the left side of the fuselage. With a large center of gravity range, the Cardinal allows for flexible loading arrangements. The Cardinal is a very versatile plane and is great for local sightseeing or cross-country flights. The large one-piece windscreen offers forward visibility that is unmatched in its class. This aircraft has a stunning paint scheme of red on white that is accented with gray stripes, giving it a look of speed even when sitting on the ramp. November 29425 is equipped with the Garmin 430W for en-route and approach navigation with vertical guidance, along with the Garmin GMA 345 intercom with Bluetooth audio and USB charging port. It is also equipped with the Garmin GTX 345 transponder with ADS-B out. For backup, there is a King NavCom as the number 2 radio. The Lycoming 0360 engine is rated at 180 horsepower. This engine is used throughout the aviation industry in many types of aircraft and has an exceptionally reliable safety record. It is also known for its ability to sip fuel, giving it a reputation for economy. November 29425 is currently based near San Antonio, Texas. We believe this is one of the finest Cardinals on the market. To schedule your private showing, contact High Performance Aviation at 866-227-8149 or visit flyhpa.com.